All right. Go ahead and do a walkthrough on this thing. All right, come on back. Let's take this sucker out front and look through it. Man, that kind of looks good on there. All right, if you hadn't noticed, this thing is built a little bit wider, and that is so that they can sleep that way in a bed that he's gonna build in there. I showed this on the channel the other day, how he's got the windows up taller, up higher, and in the back. That way they can maintain their privacy. But, right here, there again, he wanted to keep the door, or the lift up door for private, or for act as like an awning so he could keep his tailgate. And then he's got a full 80 inches inside here, or 78 I believe. The base rail is reinforced. He went with 30-inch sidewalls, a little vent up top there, an extra light. This right here, so you're gonna throw a battery generator in here, right?
Yeah.
Like a Jackery or something? Which one are you gonna do?
The power?
Yeah.
Probably one of those green, what's it called? Eco.
There's like 1,000 different types.
River. One of the river ones.
But you got a little fuse in here to protect the circuit, and then he can do what he needs to. And you can clean this up, make it look good. One of these is for the lights for the canopy, for the exterior lights, and the other one's an SAE, so you can just plug right into that sucker. But yeah, just jump up in there. You can see about how much room there is for height. Right there. Sit in here in a lawn chair. But yeah, that's it.
But that's more for a long term.
Catch you on the next one. One more shot of the outside before I call it quits on this one. Nice clean setup. Very nice.